Amethyst is the purple variety of the mineral quartz. It was used as jewelry throughout the history for over 2,000 years. Its beautiful purple color comes from the irradiated traces of iron. Amethyst's color can range from a light lilac to a deep intense royal purple, commonly showing zones of lighter and darker color. The name comes from the ancient Greek word amethystos, meaning remedy against drunkenness. Greek mythology associated amethyst with Bacchus, the god of wine. Amethyst was worn by medieval European soldiers as a protection in a battle. Amethyst had the same value as ruby, sapphire, or emerald until the 19th century, when the large deposits were found in Brazil. Nowadays, some of the sources of amethyst include the USA, Bolivia, Uruguay, Tanzania, Canada, France, India, Madagascar, Russia, and Zambia. Amethyst is 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which is a very good hardness for jewelry use. It is a gemstone for 6th and 17th wedding anniversaries, and it is a birthstone for the month of February. Amethyst is believed to have healing properties and protect against negative energy. The safest way to clean your amethyst is to gently scrub them with a soft toothbrush and warm soapy water.